Hello, boys and girls. You have made it here to the last slide where you get to insert pictures. You need to type the word in the box, then slide your mouse up to insert, click on insert, click image, slide over to search from web, where you will type in the word froze. Let me make sure I can type froze, F-R-O-Z-E. I'll hit enter, and I'll pick my favorite picture from Froze. I'm going to select this one right here with the chunk of ice. I will click on insert. When it shows up in my slide, it will be too big. So I'm going to go over here to the little blue squares and the two-way arrow and shrink it down. Don't forget to use your two-finger way to click with one finger and slide with the other. Then I will move it into the box. I will go to my next box and type my second word, which is road, R-O-D-E. Then I will go insert, image, search on the web. I'll have to erase that word and type R-O-D-E. None of those words match my picture. So I'm going to write rode a bike. Oh, here's a girl. Oh, here's some boys that have rode a dirt bike. I'll click on that one. I will click insert. Again, my picture will be too big. I will need to go over to the little squares. I will use the two-finger way. I will click with one finger, click, and with my other finger, I will shrink it down. That's not what I wanted to happen. I will click with one finger and shrink it down so it's small enough to fit in the box. There we go. And slide it up to road. It could be a little bit bigger, so I'll click with one finger and slide with my other finger. There we go. I like the way that looks. I will continue on in all the boxes till I have typed and found pictures for all of the spelling words.